To start the synchronization process using our OpenNental connector app, we need to follow a few necessary steps beginning with OpenNental. Firstly, we will complete the OpenNental eConnector setup followed by the key configuration. To begin with the connector setup, firstly we need to add the registration key, also known as the license key, in the OpenNental, for which we will be clicking on the tools option in the main menu. Then further going setup wizard, and here we will have the option to add the registration key. On double clicking this and clicking the next option, here we have the registration key. On click the change option, we will be able to add the registration key, and allowing the license agreements and clicking on OK, the registration key will be added. And further clicking next, the setup has been completed for the registration key. Now the eConnector services. So for eConnector setup, we will be navigating this, and to install the eConnector, here is the installation button available. On clicking the installation button, the eConnector services will be installed in the OpenNental instance. And once that's completed, we will be clicking on the start button, and in a while we will have the log below, and our eConnector will be giving the heartbeat. In case if there are any error, we can have the refresh button clicked, and that will resolve the errors. And that even though even if there are any issues still, then we can also click on the acknowledge button, and we will be able to see the heartbeats, and the eConnector setup will be completed. Now moving forward for the key configuration, what we are supposed to do is go to the developer portal. So here we have the OpenNental developer portal, login in. Here we are supposed to create the customer key. So below in the actions option, we will have to click the create key, and this key once created, we can't undo it. So allowing and clicking on yes, the key will be generated. And then in this way it will be displayed here. So the key which we need to connect to the OpenNental instance which we are setting up for, then we will be clicking the copy button here. And now going back to the OpenNental, we will be going to the setup option and advanced setup and the API key. So the customer key which we just copied from the developer portal, we will need to add it here. So we will be clicking the add key option, paste. We will have to paste that and clicking on OK. That will add the API key here. So on clicking the save button, that will be added, and our API key setup from the OpenNental end is been completed, as well as our eConnector is also running. So these are the few configuration steps which needs to be followed before we start the synchronization using our connector app. Thank you.